Hey there, future nurses. Have you ever wondered why nursing school has a surprisingly high dropout rate? Apart from the academic, personal, and systemic factors, self-doubt plays a huge role. So if you're a nursing student struggling with self-doubt, you're not alone. Today, we're going to be tackling the topic of overcoming doubts in nursing school and why perseverance is key to your success. Stick around to find out how you can conquer your doubts and thrive in this challenging journey, as I'll be sharing 9 practical tips and advice to help you build confidence. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Diana and I'm a public health professional currently specializing in mental health nursing. On this channel, I make videos about mental health and nursing school because I believe in creating mental health awareness and providing insights for navigating the challenges of nursing school. If these topics are of interest to you, go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get notified anytime I publish new videos. Let's dive right in. Nursing school can be tough, from the pressure of academics to the stress of clinical placements, financial strain, personal life balance, and maybe lack of support. Doubts can creep in and make you question whether you have the ability to make it through. But remember, those doubts don't define your ability to succeed. Here are some tips to help you navigate through those moments of uncertainty. First up, set realistic goals. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks and set achievable goals for each study session. This not only helps you to stay organized, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Number 2, develop a study schedule. List the subjects you need to cover and assign specific times for each. Having a structured plan helps keep you organized and lessens the feeling of being overwhelmed. Be sure to incorporate breaks and self-care activities into your timetable. Third tip is to form study groups. Although this can sometimes be challenging due to location and logistics issues, scheduling conflicts due to work and personal commitments, and group dynamics with balancing different personalities and study habits. Studying with peers is beneficial as it can provide support, different perspectives, and clarify difficult concepts. Teaching each other is also a great way to reinforce your own understanding. Tip 4 is don't hesitate to seek help, whether it's from professors, instructors, academic advisors, or peers. There is no shame in seeking support. They have been in your shoes before and can provide valuable guidance, resources, and encouragement when you need it most. Fifth tip is, before I share the 5th tip, can I please ask that you give this video a like, as apparently it helps the YouTube algorithm to know that viewers find a video valuable, thus helping it to be shown to more people. Also, if you haven't already done so, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get notified anytime I publish a new video. Thank you. The 5th tip is acknowledge your achievements no matter how small. Celebrate every milestone, such as passing a test, assessment, or exam, or even mastering a new skill. Positive reinforcement boosts your confidence and motivation. 6. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, so take advantage of simulation labs and clinical placements to hone your skills. The more you practice, the more competent and confident you will become in your abilities. Tip 7 is incorporate mindfulness and stress relief techniques into your routine. These could be activities like meditation, yoga, exercise, or even deep breathing, which can help manage stress and keep doubts at bay. A calm mind is more focused and resilient. Number 8, keep a journal to track your progress and reflect on your experiences. Putting your thoughts to paper can provide clarity and help you recognize patterns that contribute to self-doubt. This is a powerful tool for personal growth. Lastly, remember the importance of self-care. Balance your studies with activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Exercise, hobbies, and spending time with your loved ones can rejuvenate your mind and keep you grounded. To recap, the 9 practical tips to help you overcome doubts and succeed in nursing school are: 1. Set realistic goals. 2. Develop a study schedule. 3. Form study groups. 4. Don't hesitate to seek help. 5. Acknowledge your achievements. 6. Practice, practice, practice. 7. Incorporate mindfulness and stress relief techniques. 8. Keep a journal. And 9. Remember the importance of self-care. Now, picture this: a nursing student who faced doubts head on and emerged victorious. Their story is a testament to the power of resilience and determination. You too can overcome your uncertainties and achieve greatness in nursing school. You've got this. Remember that doubts are normal, but how you handle them is what truly matters. So stay resilient, stay determined, and you will conquer any obstacle that comes your way in nursing school. I want to hear from you. Share your own experiences or tips for overcoming doubts in nursing school in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on navigating nursing school. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.